Yeah, we want to create a new project in the Firebase, right? So, okay, let me show you how, because we have existing projects, right, in the Firebase account. So we want to add a new project. I want to create a new project, so click project. So you have to get a project name. Let's say Winnerplex. This is a new project and click on continue. Okay, here EN assistant for your Firebase projects. Enable Gemini, okay. Let's continue. And Google Analytics for your Firebase project. Okay, we're trying to enable this feature also. And here we need to have a Google Analytics configure account. Okay, let's see. It's okay, default account. Create projects and then create projects. Let's wait. Okay, yeah, your Firebase project is ready. Let's go continue. See, this is our new project on Firebase. Okay, we can. So after creating the projects, you can do anything like Firebase database. If we want to deploy the projects on Firebase, yeah, we have to use this account to deploy our projects. Yeah,